Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at This Dance of Life, and what a month it has been. Am I right? I know. It's been the fastest month I feel like ever. And I just thought, you know what? It would be really great if I shared with you what we released this month, because I'm concerned you might have missed one or two items, and I don't want you to miss out. So we started the month with our rainbow fold it, which is absolutely positively adorable. Look at how cute that is. It also came with, so here's the rainbow itself. It also came with some cloud dies, an awesome rain stencil, and 2 stencils to decorate your rainbow. So adorable. Then we jumped in and we did our Stamp and Die Hard Club set. And this lemonade set, I know so many of you fell in love with it instantly. Look at how cute this little lemonade is. Absolutely love it. But you guys, you always know me, I can never stop at just a couple. So then I also have this fun set that makes it your stand turn into anything. Hot cocoa, you can have puppies, you can sell ice cream, you can say hot chocolate, cookies, candy, cupcakes. There's also some other fun words to add in on there, and a cute little die and stamp set for like a little tablecloth or a little banner or another banner up here. Lots of different options on this. Now, to go along with our lemonade, we released a drink fold it. Now, let me just tell you, it could be coffee. Oh, I know, isn't that cute? Or it could be lemonade. The choice is yours, right? Or it could be totally so many other things as well. It could be Diet Coke if we wanted it to. Then we released this fun stencil set that's 2, but it's really 3 in 1, right? Because it's the big circles, it's the little flowers, or if you put them together, you have citrus. And look at how cute those are. You can do all different kinds, all different color combinations. So much fun. Now, I know a lot of you, especially after the pandemic, people are finally now getting married again, right? So we released this fun die set. Doesn't look like much here, but look at this. To have and to hold. Happily ever after. Aren't those beautiful? We also have for the bride and groom on that set. We also released 5x7 dotted circles. Isn't this awesome? Also can be turned into a 5x7 card. Check it out. Go check it out. 5x7. You gotta love it. Look how much those dots add to that card. Isn't it amazing? We also released a sorry fold it. You know, sometimes you just have to send out those kind of cards. So here it is. It's a sorry fold it. Sometimes, you know, you just got to do it, right? To go along with it, we released a stamp set that's called Here For You. Perfect for saying it's okay to not be okay, praying for better days, let me help, praying for better days. Is there anything I can do to help? Do you want to talk? You are not alone. I'm here. Lots of options on there. To go along with that, we also have praying for you. Now, you can say we are praying for you. You can just say praying for you. You could say I'm praying for you. Lots of options on this die set as well. Then we move into graduations. So we released this fun little Slimline Diploma set with that fun bow. Look at how cute. It also comes with the word congrats. So I snuck that in there. So that's really fun. Then a big word. Another big word. We already had the hello and we had the thanks. Now we're adding in the hugs. Isn't that adorable? I also threw in the words to you, XOXO, and a cute little heart to add in there as well. Look how cute that is. Then a card front. I know you guys love the card fronts just as much as I do. So this one says, happy anniversary to you. I know it looks like nothing there, but look at this. Isn't that amazing? So fun. The card fronts are awesome because the insides of the letters stay on the negative. So you're not gluing little tiny pieces. Boom, there it is. Now we also released a card front that said, let's get together. Now you're saying, oh, that's really cute, but I don't do square cards. Who said it had to be a square card? This is 2 different dies in this set, right? If you want it to be a square, great, there's a square in here. If you don't want it to be a square, boom, drop it into an A2 card front or a 5x7. Awesome, right? Lots and lots of options. I always try to give you lots of options. That's why we give you the inside dies and the shadow dies. So you have 2 different options there, right? Then Look at this barn. Reminds me of my baby's birthday party. We had so much fun. We released the 5x7 barn Fold It. And not to be outdone, we also released the cute little piggy. Look how cute this is. Yvette made this for our dishwasher. So it's just 2 pieces with magnet in between, clean and dirty. So now your dishwasher, everyone in your family will know if they're clean or dirty. Then we also released an A2 card front that is this fun stitched swirl. Now notice the irony of the sewing machine on the stitching background. Isn't that awesome? But you can use this for so much more. Now, limited edition, we also released really quick the hexagon stencils, the dotted stencils, and the pinwheel. Once these are gone, they are gone forever. They will not be restocked. Don't forget, the hexagon also comes with the clouds on the back. We also, limited edition, released the By the Sea kit. Now this is just 2 items that come in the By the Sea. The Seahorse Slimline that includes 3 little mini shells and the Pacific ink and refill. So if you're missing out on that, get it quick. Once that kit is gone, it's gone forever. Last but not least, 2 more. If you were not in our kit club when we had the A1 center step up, boom, now's your chance to get it. This is the A1 size, the smaller size. And if you missed out on this kit, I believe this was the Pansy kit. This came out a long time ago. We're releasing the Friend card. This is the mini slimline, and look at this one's even a shaker. I told you guys. I told you. This was a crazy, busy, fun month, right? I can't even tell you what my favorite is out of all of these. I don't know. I'm really leaning towards those card fronts because they're so dang easy. I'm gonna have to do a couple of these on my 30-second cards in 5 minutes because boom, this is way less than 5 minutes. Okay, my friends, go check out the website. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day, every single order, as long as you're a club member. I know, it's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.